You want to copy the text from ChatGPT, but it comes with the gray background and a box. In this video, you will learn 2 easy ways to fix this problem. Method 1. In a ChatGPT conversation, go to the response where you want to copy from. On the right-hand side of the response there is a small clipboard icon. Click this clipboard to copy the whole response. If you want to paste to Microsoft Word, go to the document where you want to paste the response. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+V for PC, or Command+V on a Mac to paste the text. It's done. Method 2. If you do not want to copy the whole response, you can highlight the text you want to copy from the ChatGPT conversation with your mouse. Right-click on the highlighted text, and choose Copy from the context menu. Or on your keyboard, press Ctrl+C for PC. For a Mac, press Command+C. Now go to Microsoft Word. Do not just paste the text. You need to right-click on your mouse again. Click this clipboard icon with an A. By choosing this, you tell Word to keep text only. Now the gray background and box are removed. In case you don't know, right-click is to press the right button of a mouse or trackpad of your laptop. By following these simple methods, you should not see the gray background and box. If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more video like this.